What's up, beautiful people? My name is Lincoln Holmes, and for the last 25 years, I've been an entrepreneur working in the training and development space. I've worked with thousands of salespeople and sales managers, and in the last 8 years, I've decided to transition into leadership training, leadership coaching. Are you a goal setter that is not hitting their goals? Do you set goals year after year to only not achieve them and just end up with frustrations? If there was another way, a better way that would help you set and achieve your goals, would you be willing to give it a try? Now, goal setting is the easy part. It's the achieving is the challenge. Wouldn't you agree with me in that? Did you know that 92% of people who set goals never even come close to achieving them? 92%. Yet we continue to set goals year after year after year and make New Year's resolutions. As a matter of fact, they said 96% of people who make New Year's resolutions never hit them either. By mid-February, a whole bunch of them has forgotten about their resolutions that they had for the year. That's an enormous amount of people. But guess what? I was part of that 92% for years and years and years. I was frustrated and I struggled and couldn't figure out why the hell I can't hit my goals. Could not spend thousands of dollars on gurus, on goal setting programs and courses and how to do this and da-da-da-da-da. And I realized goal setting was not my problem. It was goal achieving. It was achieving them was my problem. Setting them was the easy part. So I ask you, are you frustrated? Are you sick and tired of being sick and tired? Are you setting goals year after year and not getting nowhere, only to find yourself in the same place next year? It's really easy to tell. Just look at 2019, 2020, and 2021, and you'll see if you've had triplets. If you had triplets, then you know you're standing still. You're not getting nowhere with this goal setting thing. No, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I found the answer for you, because I'm sure this will not work for everyone. I'm certain of it. But I know for a fact that if you're willing to give it a try, that's the only way you will know if it will work for you or not. So I've done some research and I've looked at sports teams and corporations and athletes and relationships and even resumes, and I've noticed some patterns. Your resume is historical data of your past performance, right? Corporations will never make projections without looking at the previous years. And athletes and sports teams, what do? They look at the games that are the game that just ended so they could better prepare for the ones coming up. Relationships, we do this in as well. When we leave a bad one, we don't just jump into the same one, right? We use the experiences we had from the past one to determine the ones we want in the future. So this pattern has led us to develop a powerful system called a reflection report. This reflection report is scientific based. It is based upon years and years of research in positive psychology and the solution focus methodologies. This will reveal to you your strengths, your weaknesses, what is working for you, and what is not working for you. Now, a lot of us can know our strengths, but we have undeveloped strengths. And these are some of the reasons why we struggle. So what I'd like you to do is to grab your copy of the reflection report right now. Click the link below and grab it. It's a simple report, and I promise you that it's going to help you. We've tested this report for the last 3.5 years on my clients, on myself, on my team, And so I know that this will work for you. It's custom made because the questions in there, only you can answer them. So I know this will work for you. And we're not gonna use it to basically set goals, because I truly believe that goal setting doesn't work, because it did not work for me. But what we're gonna do is that we're gonna use it to design your life. So if you're part of the 92% that has been struggling to achieve your goals or never achieve your goals year after year, and you're frustrated, then download your copy of the reflection report and let us help you to design the future you always wanted. Grab your copy right now. Don't delay. Go get it. Thanks for watching. I see you on the inside.